Wondering how to make picture quotes online? Are you looking to share your own thoughts with pictures but don't know where to start? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jet. Quote or saying images are hugely popular on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, or even LinkedIn. People love to share and engage with quote images. It's easier to understand and it triggers different kinds of emotions. And it's a great way to inspire your followers regardless of your niche. So if you're a blogger or a small business owner, consider using picture quotes to boost engagement on your page. It makes your brand feel more human and connect with your audience for lasting influence. So today, I'm going to share with you some of the best tools that allow you to transform your text and photos into beautiful picture quotes quickly. Many of them are free or at least offer a free trial. They don't require any graphic design skills and also it saves your time. You can easily create quote images, pictures, and photos online. So are you ready to tell a story, inspire your audience, and share your thoughts and beliefs with quote graphics? Well, let's begin. Number 1, BeFunky. This is a free online photo editing and collage maker. So BeFunky is a graphic design tool with 3 main functions: graphic designer, collage maker, and photo editor. So to turn your photos into stunning quote pictures, use its photo editor. It's extremely easy to use and navigate. Just upload your own photo or use BeFunky's library stock images, add text, play with its editing options, and click save to download to your computer. Next is Cusio. I hope I pronounce it correctly. And it's perhaps the easiest way to create quote images. They offer free, ready-to-use picture quotes presets, and you don't have to use your own background pictures nor choose what font, size, or color to use for your font. Head to the website and it will ask you what text or quote you want to use, and then it'll show you how it looks on different backgrounds. And each background comes with its own set of font, size, and color, so you don't have to do any editing, and that's it. Once you pick the background you like, you can share it directly to any social media. Or you can also right-click and download. Next would be QuotesCover. It's the fastest free quotes image maker. No installation, no sign up or login required. So QuotesCover offers an easy, quick, and hassle-free way to make beautiful quote images. It's available on your desktop browser and mobile, so it allows you to design anywhere. Use it to create social media posts, wall posters, greeting cards, desktop and phone wallpapers. The easiest way to get started is to choose a template style that you like, then click redesign and continue editing. Another one is WordSwag. WordSwag is an easy-to-use picture app that allows you to create attractive quote images, and there's a wide variety of ready-to-use templates, unique fonts, and text codes that you can choose from. It will turn your plain words into stunning text designs on your photos. You can also add various typography to photos to make your content stand out on your social media or blog. To create unique quote graphics, you can add your own custom text, logo, and photos. If you lack inspiration, simply choose from ready-to-use quotes, jokes, sayings, and stash of free photos. It's always free if you don't mind having small watermark on your posts. If you want to get advanced features and remove watermark, upgrade to their Pro plan. And I think it costs less than $4 a month. Another one is Snappa. Snappa is similar to Canva, and it's a free desktop graphic design software that allows you to make your own picture quotes in just a few minutes. And not only that, but it also gives you all the tools, features, and effects you need to create effective and professional looking images for blogs, social media, and ads. It's so much easier than using Photoshop or hiring graphic designers. Their free plan includes 5,000 plus images, high definition photos and graphics. You can, I think, have 5 downloads per month. And if you need more downloads and advanced features, you just need to upgrade to their paid options. Another one is Pablo by Buffer. You might have heard of Buffer, a social media management tool, but do you know that they also have a free online design tool called Pablo? Pablo allows you to create quote pictures for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Also, you don't have to create an account to start making quote graphics with Pablo. Simply select a template, choose a background image, add a quote, insert a logo, and you're done. you're free to use all of the stock photos, and that's over 1 million and no attribution required. However, it's designed for easy and quick editing, so don't expect advanced editing tools like BeFunky or Canva. The design options are very limited. And of course, there's Canva. It's a free design tool for non-designers or also for professional designers. No list of graphic design tool is complete without Canva. It's one of the best free design tools for non-designers. And by the way, I have a Canva playlist in my YouTube channel, so please do check them out. I used it for creating attractive blog images, Pinterest pins, Facebook posts, Kindle book covers, and mostly inspirational quote pictures for Instagram. It offers many ready-to-use templates and free stock images, so you can easily create visually attractive quote images. Another one is PixTeller. It's a free photo and animation maker. PixTeller is another great tool that allows you to create picture quotes with just a few clicks. With PixTeller, you'll get free high-quality images, beautiful templates. You can create stunning quotes, images, and emojis, stickers, and shapes. They have customized text layouts, nice fonts to impress, filters, and overlays. Another free quote maker is Stencil. Stencil is a simple image creation tool built specifically for bloggers, social media marketers, and small businesses. What's particularly great about Stencil is that it helps you to create attractive quote graphic fast. You can search for quotes by topic or author right inside the app. For example, if you're searching success quotes, just type in success quotes and it will give you all those suggested results. So the app grants you access to more than 100,000 quotes and over 2 million royalty-free photos that you can use to create great picture quotes. Select the Quotes tab, search for a quote, pick a background, change the fonts, enhance your photos with filter and effects, and don't forget to add your brand logo. Then preview and share it to Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, or schedule it directly from Stencil if you're using Buffer Scheduler. And the best part, you can sign up free account, which allows you to save up to 10 images a month and access to free photos and icons and 10 Instagram SMS per month. If you're looking to save more picture quotes and brand the images with your own logo, you might want to upgrade to their Pro plan. The last one would be Media Modifier. You can create custom picture quotes with your own photos here in Media Modifier. Makes it easy to add text and design to your own photos. This powerful online photo editor has everything you need to create a beautiful picture quote. It's very easy to use, so you don't have to worry about much of a learning curve. You can start using Media Modifier to create any kind of quick graphics for completely free without even signing up. So here's how it works. You go to Media Modifier and choose the ready-made templates that you'd like to use and upload your own pictures, photo effects, textures, add text, and once it's done, you can share it with the world. Media Modifier works pretty much like Canva. The powerful drag and drop editor allows you to easily create your graphics in just a few clicks. However, you cannot upload your images to the server. This makes the process of designing so much faster. So if you're looking for occasional use for a marketing campaign, take advantage of its one-day ticket. You can create and download as many images and videos as you like, including commercial licenses for just $15 for 24 hours. So if you're looking for an all-in-one web design tool packed with a variety of features, Media Modifier is the ideal pick for you. And you can make unlimited graphic design and save maximum money with their yearly subscription for $9 a month. Otherwise, you can use their 100% free forever plan with limited functionality to create beautiful picture quotes for your social media. So there you have it, 10 best tools to make your photo quotes for absolutely free. Right quote plus right picture equals amazing picture quote. Beautiful quote graphics are meaningful, saying images are so likable and shareable on social media. So do you share inspirational quotes or saying images in your social media? Why and why not? Do you know any great photo editor tool not included here? Feel free to comment below. Last but not the least, if this video was of any help to you, please share it on any social media and don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell if you haven't done that already. I truly appreciate it. It helps the YouTube channel, and a quick share from you would seriously help the growth of this channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!